Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. I'm trying to move my chart over. Sorry, guys. There we go. UIHC. So this is actually from our daily, I'm going to call it our daily watch list now. Had an alert at 2:08. I actually took this trade early and made a little bit on it, but I got back into the trade right about here at that 2:30. Okay, you can see they had a little pop up here at 11:30. This is when I was on my lunch break and I decided to take this. It did run up to 250. I did take some out. I'm waiting to see if it can have any more legs to the balance of the day. When you look left on the daily chart, you do see 261 could stall it right here. That's the high right there. So, but a nice little trade, lots and lots of volume, 23 million shares. It's a big float though, 1 billion in the float. So I'm sorry, I'm looking at a completely wrong stock. I've got it up on my single stock window. But anyway, it's probably a very low float. Anyway, going to back in the room. So have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.